Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some gorgeous black hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. So if you've been finding yourself stuck in a hair rut, get ready because these hairstyles are definitely going to shake things up. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the looks spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest black hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So we start off today with this beautiful all black pixie. This one does feature a bit of a tail going there in the back that is flipped up under. Super cute style. And then we move into a hair transformation. So she went from pink to blonde. Very cute pixie. Bit of curls mixed in here as well. Ooh, loving look number 3, this red burgundy asymmetrical pixie cuts. She's got an undercut going here as well. This is super cute. I love the color against her complexion as well as the overall shape of the cut. Next up, we have another hair transformation. So you can see there in the back, her hair is kind of broken off. So the stylist is chopping it off and she is getting a pixie. Ooh, looks like she is getting another asymmetrical pixie cut here. Oh, wow. Yes, I love the way that this came out. I love the stylist hair too, by the way. She is rocking out this choppy style pixie with the blonde color. But yeah, this asymmetrical pixie, super cute. I love how she has her glasses with it. It really just adds a nice little unique style. But the overall cut, the overall shape of this cut, super cute, very edgy, very modern. Honestly, I'd like to see a bit of highlights mixed in here. A bit of red highlights. Next up, we have another pixie. She's got the waves and the curls here for this one. Little hint of some chocolate brown for the color. And then we have the feathered 70s inspired layer style. This one ends just around the shoulders. Gorgeous amount of layers in the cut. Followed by another pixie, two-tone color, chocolate brown. Actually looks more like maybe copper. Copper with some blonde. Very bold color combo there. And then we move into another haircut transformation. So she starts off with hair around shoulder length. Hair does look a little bit broken as well. Looks like she cut the hair and went blonde. So this is more of that beige blonde hair color trend. Oh wow, this is cute. Then we have another makeover, so she decided to big chop as well. Rocking out the classic TWA hair coiled. And then we have someone showing off her bob. Now she is a straight hair natural, so she can rock out the natural hair as well as wear it straight. And then we have another natural girly who is rocking out a pixie. So if you want to rock any of these shorter styles, you can do so without a relaxer. It just depends on how well your hair is going to maintain that straightness, or how long rather. So it really just depends on your stylist also, because sometimes a good stylist will hook it up and your hair will maintain that style without a relaxer. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these hairstyles today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.